Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is Thursday, July 28th and we are actually going to head to Huntsville, Alabama for Jared's birthday. There's Jared. Hello. So I said that I was going to vlog a little bit, and this video we're going to hit some cool spots. Hopefully we're going to go to like a Korean barbecue place, so bear with us because this video is probably going to be like 30 minutes long. We're going to hit the high points. We're at the rest stop right now, and then we're going to be heading to Greenville. We're going to be passing through and we're going to go stop by a Goodwill so I can stock up on inventory for the eBay shop. And let's see, what else are we going to do, Jared? I think that's it. We are going to go to Trader Joe's before we leave on Sunday, so I'm probably going to do a separate video of everything that I got there because we are super excited because we are going to stock up because we have no idea when we're going to be coming back up here. So that is happening this weekend, and Jared's birthday is Saturday, so we're going to go to a Korean barbecue place where we go and cook in front of, like, cook by ourselves, right? Yeah. So that's gonna be fun. We haven't, all you can eat. Yes, all you can eat. So we haven't done that before, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna see his sisters, his other family's coming up as well. We're gonna see some friends. It's gonna be a really fun trip. So this is a day in a life, and also I am going to be showing you guys how much I spend as well. I don't know if it's going to be in this video or in a separate video, but right now we did get some Starbucks. I did use the gift card that I already have. It was $10 and like 82 cents. But the amount of money that I actually have, not counting Jared's, I have $309 in cash. No, I didn't count your money. But I have $309 in cash for me. $30 for eBay, so I will use that for Goodwill. And then also I do have my cushion fund, which I really didn't look at that. I think I have maybe $200, something like that. So first we're gonna pay stuff with our cash, and then after that we'll use the debit card if we can. So that is the plan, and I have not spent any money. Jared has spent 50, how much was gas?
Oh, $54. Yeah.
$54 to fill up the tank of a Tacoma. So Jared spent $54, and yeah, that's it. So we're going to go use the restroom, and then we're going to be going back on the road and head to Greenville. So catch us in a few hours. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, you guys, so we are actually at the rest stop a little past Greenville, like literally 10 minutes down the road. So we drove by the Goodwill in Greenville, and it was sketchy to me. It was very small, and I just didn't feel comfortable, so we just didn't go. So then we drove up to the next exit, and we stopped at KFC because it just sounded really good. And so we picked up food, and then we brought it 10 minutes down the road to the rest stop. So we're gonna eat this. Jared, you wanna show what you got? I actually got the spicy mac and cheese bowl. I'm gonna have to like undo it so I can show you. Hopefully it's spicy. I don't think it's spicy. Nope. Even after I said it was spicy, they didn't give me spicy. So this is what it looks like. And then Jared, I'm gonna turn it around so you can see it. Okay.
Yeah, spicy chicken sandwich.
That's it. And fries.
And fries.
So yeah. So,
and the drink machine was down, so we didn't get drinks.
Oh yeah, but they did give us a discount on that. So we're gonna eat this. Jared's gonna play Pokemon. It's right there. And then we'll be on the road again. And then I think we're gonna switch out past Montgomery Prattville. So that is what we're doing, and we'll keep you updated. Hey guys, so a little update. We are outside of Birmingham, and we stopped at the local Walmart just to look around for a second, just to kill time, so we can, as soon as we get into Huntsville, we can go and check in at our hotel. So while I was there, of course, we had to go into some Ibotta because I am trying to complete the $16 I think it's like 38 offers for $16, and it's ends on Sunday. So I wanted to finish that. I haven't scanned my receipt yet, but we got 2 bottles of the Fiji water because we forgot to pack water before we left. So 2 things of Fiji water, and you get $1 back is what I was showing on my Ibotta. So I got 2 bottles of those, and then I got the essential, I don't really know how to say it, but I got this kind of water, and you get 50 cents back on 1. So I picked that up. And then also I forgot to pack bar soap or body wash, anything like that. So I got this Neutrogena. It's dermatologist recommended Neutrogena, the transplant facial hair. So I picked this up only because it says it's acne prone skin formula. So I picked this up. It was $2.32, and you get $1 back on Ibotta, making it only $1.32. So that is the reason why I picked this one up. And they don't have it at my Walmart, so I was super excited to see this at this Walmart. But anyway, so that is a little update of what we're doing. Jared is currently getting gas. The last time you saw us, we were eating at the rest stop, and we were having KFC. Jared paid for that, which was roughly around $17. I'm going to leave a little tally on the screen of how much each item has cost. Now Jared is pumping the gas, and it's actually $3.54 here, and that is extremely low. Right now down in Lower Alabama, it is $3.76, I believe. So this is actually really good. I don't know how much the total is going to be. I think he's almost done. Let me see if I can see it. It was $36, and he was already halfway with the gas already. So it was $36, Jared? Yep. So $36 is how much I spent on gas. So I'm going to tally that up for later on how much I spend on a vacation. But anyways, so the next update is going to be whenever we get there at the hotel in 2 hours. So yeah, fun times. Hey you guys, so a little update. We are in our hotel. There's Jared. We literally just arrived. We are actually on the first floor, which I've never been on the first floor before. It's always been like the second floor, the third floor. So we're gonna do a quick hotel tour. It's a small hotel, 1 bedroom, but it's super nice. I was very surprised, but it did have very high reviews. So I'm going to give y'all a little tour. So right here is the front door, and then you come to your left and there's the bathroom. It's very loud, but here's the bathroom. Nice size bathtub, and then you come back here. I think this is the conjoined door. And here is the bedroom. So here is the king size bed that we have. There's this little, I don't know what that is. I think it's just wallpaper, to be honest. Yes, we have been to that exact same park. Can't remember what the park is called. Is it like Industrial Park or something? I don't remember. But it's a little wallpaper, nightstand. There's Jared. And then we have a little window, a little desk. So I did bring my laptop so I can edit the videos. We have a microwave and a refrigerator. And then we have our TV and then our dresser drawer. So I guess we don't have a closet, like a little closet that hotels usually have. I guess not. But that is it. So we're going to not go downstairs because we're on the first floor. We're going to go to the car, unpack and everything, and that's it. But anyways, so this is our tour, and we'll update you guys later. So we're at the Asian market. Ooh, look at all the fishes. We're at the Asian market in Huntsville, and we're just looking around because I love the Asian market. This one's actually a little bit bigger than the one that we go to in Pensacola. So here's all the little pasta. I'm not sure what we're gonna get. We're probably not gonna get anything until we actually leave on Sunday, but you never know. I do like to pick up some snacks in the Asian store. I really wanted to pick up frozen items, but I'm not. Oh, look at the little Hello Kitty. Cute. So, we're just looking around. So I'm gonna pick up 2 bags. It's gonna be the lobster cracker and the squid cracker. Video? Yeah, I'm talking to my niece. There she is. Say hello. So I'm picking up the lobster crackers and the squid crackers. I don't know what else I'm gonna do though. We're just still looking around into the aisles. Okay, we got the goods right here. What I get, those 2 chips, and then we got some pastries that we're gonna try that has like red beans and some kind of like cinnamon roll. So super excited about trying that. Now we're gonna go to a thrift store that's like literally right beside it. So that will be fun, and I'll show y'all around there as well. Hey guys, so as you can see, we are back in our hotel room. It is 9:50 at night. So the last clip that you have seen was that we left the Asian store. We was going to go to the thrift store. So we went to this place called the Saving Way, which is a thrift store. And as soon as we walked in, I found a couple of things. And they literally announced that they were closing in 5 minutes. Never been to the store, so we kind of just didn't even look at the time or what time they were closing. So we had 5 minutes. I couldn't film at all, but we're going back there tomorrow. But I wanted to show you a couple of things that I got there. And also I'm going to end this video and let y'all know how much we spent, how much Jared spent, and how much I spent today. So first off, I wanted to show y'all what I actually got from the Asian store because I didn't get to show you guys. So first off, I got this chocolate. It's like this chocolate pastry. It's kind of like a cinnamon roll. That's what his sister said. So we picked up one of these. And then all the items that I'm going to show you was $2.39, and we spent $14 there, and I did pay it with my money. Next, I got the lobster crackers, and it's the spicy flavored. We don't have this down in Pensacola, so I wanted to try that. And then next, just like the lobster crackers, I picked up a bag of squid crackers as well. It looks good. I think the lobster crackers looks a little bit better, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like both of them. Next, I got this other pastry, and it is a bun with chocolate filling, so it's a little pastry as well. And then, last but not least, and at the Asian store, I spent $14. I'm not sure if I said that already. But last but not least, I got this other pastry that his sister said was really good. And I did try a bite of hers, and it was actually pretty tasty. So it is a bun with red bean paste and custard. So you can see the little picture right there. It was pretty tasty. I got it for Jared, so we're probably going to have to share that, Jared. He said no. So moving on to the thrift store that was literally right beside the Asian market. I spent $8 there. Now we're gonna go back tomorrow, and everything in the store is 50% off, so I'm super excited. Jared said that I was gonna have to bring a tote back because I'm probably gonna spend a lot of money for the eBay store and the Mercari store. But anyway, so like I said, we spent $8 there, and I picked up this little tin. So this is like a tea tin, and I sell these pretty well, especially the ones that are made in England. And this was only $2, and plus it did say like the yellow tag was 25% off. So I picked up this, and this was a yellow tag for $2, so I got 25% off on that, which was 50 cents. So I only paid $1.50 for that. Next up is this Disney Winnie the Pooh picture frame. This is what his sister found for me. She was like looking at stuff for me and putting stuff in my buggy. But so this is just a small picture frame. It is Disney. It's Winnie the Pooh. It was only $1, so I picked that up. Next up is another Disney, and this is a Christmas Winnie the Pooh. So in either the end of August or the beginning of September is whenever I will start putting out the Christmas inventory that I have. So that is going to come soon, and this was only $2 as well, and there is no chips or anything. So I'm super excited to be uploading this on eBay or Mercari very soon. And then I think last but not least is his sister found this cute little, kind of like a night light, but it is Easter theme, and it's super cute. It's like a little grocery store, and it lights up, and it has a little bulb. So if the bulb doesn't work, Jared said I can always replace this before I sell it. So that would be really good. Or I can just sell it without it. It's probably going to be more valuable if I sell it with the light bulb. And also this was $2. So it was $2. And I think this is super cute. So this is more Easter theme. I'm not sure if I'm going to save it until next year or just put it on my eBay and see how it does after that. The only thing I actually looked up was this last item actually that I found. And it is this Japanese picture frame that I found, and it was $1. Plus it was 25% off, which was really good. This is a Japanese picture frame, and whenever I looked up sold comps off of Mercari and eBay, they were selling anywhere between $13 to $17. So I'm probably going to post it on both and just see how it does. And that is pretty much it. So everything that I showed y'all was $8, like I said. Before I end the video, we're just going to tally up. I wrote down everything that we bought today. So Jared spent $87 today. Jared, do you think that was pretty good?
Yeah, I guess.
So Jared spent $54 on gas, $17 at KFC, that's what we had for lunch, and $16 at Publix because we did have dinner at his sister's house, and she cooked us Crunchwrap Supremes, and he brought some drinks, and he paid for some of the groceries. Me, on the other hand, I spent $67, and I paid $36 for gas. I spent $9 at Walmart. The Asian store, I spent $14, and then the Saving Way thrift store, I spent $8. So that equals to $67. So as of right now, Jared is paying the most.
Winner chicken dinner.
But we still have the thrift store that we're going to go to tomorrow, so I'm probably going to spend a lot of money on there. And I am going to video that tomorrow, so when you are watching this video, I will be filming the next one. So I will see you guys later, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell them bye, Jared.
Bye.
All right, see you guys tomorrow.